All right, y'all, we're getting ready to roll over to Conley, Georgia. Get ready to go get a truck. Relatively new truck at that. So, you know, excited about that. Go ahead and knock that down. And we finna get on the road. Y'all see that right there? Five hours and 4 minutes. So we're getting ready to do that. And yeah, I'll keep y'all updated. I'll get back to y'all in a minute. I know y'all want to take this barn ride out there with me, so I'll speed it up for y'all. And then so y'all can go ahead and check out what the results is. I'll show y'all the truck and everything. All right? Peace. What's good? Back again. Boxtruckchronicles. Check it out, y'all. Yeah, we down to our last 30 minutes of the ride, as you can see right there. See what I'm saying? So we left around 4:30ish. So yeah, it was pretty smooth ride and all of that, you know. It wasn't bad really at all. It was 5 hours and a few minutes. Pulling up shortly. I'll get some more footage for y'all, and so you guys can kind of see how the truck look and everything like that when we get over there. Okay, if I can get some in-house footage too, I'll do that if possible, but I'm not guaranteeing that part. So, but I'll get some footage for y'all, and with that said, another 30 minutes, another 32 minutes, 33 miles, and we'll be back at y'all. All right. All right, guys. Yes, check it out. We have made it here. Down at this next one here. We'll give them a shot of that right there. Yep. Getting ready to pull up right here. So we made it. I made a quick little stop adjustment real quick. But we have made it. We have arrived. I'm gonna go ahead and turn up in here. Yep, we're gonna pull up in here, and this is it. We have officially arrived. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start getting this together, processing. It looks like me right there in the front. That looks like it. That bad boy pretty clean. Yep. Get that lift gate on there though. So yeah, we'll deal with that part. I think they got plenty of them over there. 4 or 5 of them. So all right, y'all, with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and get this going, and once I get everything organized, I'm gonna try, like I said, I'll try to go in there and record. I'm not sure if I can, because it's like kind of a small place too, and I don't have no, like, I don't want to have no camera, nobody facing, no spy cam. I don't have one on hand right now. So if I can, I will. If not, I'll give you guys some footage as soon as I get in it and get moving and get everything moving and grooving. We'll be back to y'all with another one, okay? So, but I definitely give y'all a visual of me pulling out and everything after everything rolled through and be smooth. All right, y'all. So I'll get at y'all on the next one, and I'll see y'all in a minute. Peace. Right here, smooth, real smooth. Trying it out real quick, seeing where it's at. So, yeah. Now it seems like it might need a little bit of an alignment. See, that's supposed to be straight. And if I try to straighten it, it's gonna drift off. So that'd be about the only thing I can see right now. You know, miles are real low, so it shouldn't be too much of an issue. I'm gonna definitely tell them when we get back. Yep. Power is there, you know. You gotta do the same thing. Got more power than the other one? Yeah, a little bit. I feel like you got a little bit more power. Yeah. Everything is good. Right on. So we gonna check now, you know what I'm saying, and see, you know, we're gonna see how the big boy do on this gas, you know, work it out. Oh, like I said, I wasn't able to get no inside footage. I just wasn't gonna be able to do it. So, I mean, obviously everything worked out. So, you know, thumbs up, truck is running good and everything. Everything is cool right now. You know, that's pretty much it, you know, as far as for now. So, just gonna head off, get him parked up. And then I got a couple things I gotta do in the morning. So, yeah, but the transaction went smooth for the most part. Just the DocuSign didn't want to sign. So, you know, that was pretty much it. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to break the warranty down to y'all so you can understand how that works. Because I had it broken down to me all the way down to powder. So, so when you're going out and you're searching looking for your truck, you'll have some understanding on it. So I'll be back at y'all in a minute. Look, we already at, look. Ain't got up there yet. Already at $65. I just put the nozzle in there and it's already at 65. So, yep. Alright, with that said, I'll holler at y'all. Oh yeah. Yep, so that's where we ended up at. 52 and it already has some fuel in it. Tight.